Hello everyone. For today's episode, we are going to cook fish tinola, a very simple fish soup dish. I have here a headless and gutted ocean perch, but we still need to remove the scales. To avoid from flying scales, my technique is to cover with a damp paper towel while descaling. You can also ask Google for other techniques. After descaling, give it a nice wipe here and there. Give it a quick rinse and let's slice it up. There are these black sea magini in the belly, so let's just clean that up as well. All done cleaning, it's time for a bath. For the bath, you need water and some spices. I have here ginger, onions, tomatoes, and a lemongrass drumstick, and some salt. Cover and let it boil until the water is greenish and the aroma has that overwhelming feeling. Once you feel it, add the fish and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Add spinach or any greens of your choice. Drown all that veggies. Cover and simmer for a minute or two. After that, it's ready to serve and enjoy.